Types of numbers. Not all numbers are the same. Some numbers count things. Some go below zero. And some never end. Let's make it very simple. First, we have the natural numbers. These are the numbers that can be counted. We use them when counting things. 1, 2, 3, 4. You use them when counting things. For example, if you have 3 apples, then 3 is a natural number. Note that 0 or negative numbers are not included in these types of numbers. Next, whole numbers. These are natural numbers plus 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, if you have no apples, that is 0. So 0 is a whole number. Now, integers. Integers are whole numbers plus negative numbers, like -1, -2, -5. For example, if the temperature is 5 degrees, that is an integer. If you owe 10 pounds, that can be seen as -10. Next, rational numbers. These are numbers you can write as a fraction. A fraction generally has 2 components: the numerator, the number at the top, and the denominator, the number at the bottom. For example, for the number 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Other examples include 3/4, 5/7, and even 5. 5 can be written as 5/1. In other words, natural numbers are rational numbers. Important note: if a decimal ends, like 0.5 and 0.75, or repeats, like 0.333, then it is a rational number. Finally, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers you cannot write as a simple fraction. They go on forever and never repeat. For example, pi, 3.14159, and square root of 2, 1.41421. Now, test your understanding of types of numbers in the following questions.